Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tired of burnt popcorn or messy stovetops? Well, guess what? Your air fryer isn't just for fries anymore. It's actually fantastic for making perfectly popped popcorn right in your own kitchen. This method is a total game changer for snack time, offering a quick, cleaner, and healthier alternative to traditional bags or oily pans. Get ready to experience a whole new way to enjoy your favorite crunchy snack. Making air fryer popcorn is surprisingly minimalist. First, you'll want some good quality unpopped popcorn kernels. Typically a quarter to half a cup is a good starting point. You'll also need a tiny bit of high smoke point oil, like avocado or coconut oil, just to coat the kernels lightly. And of course, your trusty air fryer is the main star here, ready to work its magic. That's all it takes to prepare for a tasty snack. Let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your air fryer to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, around 190 degrees Celsius, for just a few minutes. This initial warmth really helps. Then, take your unpopped kernels, perhaps lightly coated in a touch of oil, and spread them evenly in a single layer at the bottom of the air fryer basket. Remember, proper air circulation is key, so avoid overcrowding the basket for the best results. Once your kernels are ready, carefully slide the basket back into the preheated air fryer. Close it up and let the magic begin. You'll start hearing those familiar popping sounds within a few minutes, building to a rapid rhythm. Around halfway through, or when the popping slows down a bit, give the basket a gentle shake to redistribute the unpopped kernels. Keep listening, because the popping will gradually slow, signaling it's nearly done. As soon as the popping sounds significantly slow down, or almost stop, it's time to carefully remove that delicious popcorn from your air fryer. Pour it into a large serving bowl immediately. Now for the fun part, seasoning. Add a drizzle of melted butter, a sprinkle of salt, or get creative with cheese powder or nutritional yeast. Give it a good toss, and your perfect, crispy air fryer popcorn is ready to enjoy. Happy snacking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.